Matching the pattern to set plushie. You can find the right color by finding the pattern. It looks like this. Stuffed fox is orange. I mean, careful. Orange thread. Here, drink water. Orange thread for the ears and tail. Well done. Finally, use some cotton. And craft plushie. Ta-da! We got plushie. Ta-da! See? You did very well. Finished plushies are placed on display case. Customers will start ordering plushies on display case. You got plushie padlock. Since this is your first plushie, I'll give you a padlock as a gift. Touch the plushie. Just change the padlock to on. Dito na tayo. Feeling ko. Oh, yan. But remember, you can't use it for task either. Now, customers won't order this plushie. Eh, para saan to? I can't wait to see what kind of plushie you'll make in the future. Let me see, I don't have much to give, but I have this thread. I like this thread. I've been saving this for the right person. Now it looks like it was made for you. Then I'll gladly accept. Alright. Iced water, I'll have one of those. Iced water. Iced water. We got a new drink. Okay. A cup of iced Americano, please. American coffee. But please, But please don't coffee. Ano daw? A cup of iced American coffee. But please don't coffee. Ha? Yan yung sinasabi mo. Iced. Bahala ka dun. Iced America. Tama lang. You grow tea yourself. I want some hot, fresh tea. Dear, please give me a glass. Hot. Wonderful. Thank you. Oopsie. Fresh leaves tea. Fresh leaf tea. Si Meta. Ay. Thank you. You're welcome, girl. Okay, I think. Okay. Fast 2 times tayo, diba? Do you have pure warmth? I was too tired to taste anything. Pure warmth? Di hot water. Do you want hot water? Very good. Yes. We're right. Hot water. Thank you. Where are the customers? What's this? In fact, you can still use it, but you better repair it before it's completely broken. Okay. Where are the customers? You can remove round rings or empty cups. Bakit wala pa din ako? Zero pa din.